integrating LearnDash with ThriveCart with the LearnDash ThriveCart add-on. It doesn't work. Do you know this problem? Please write in the comments if you have the same problem. So I've got a fresh WordPress install, nothing going on, nearly no plugins except LearnDash. So I installed LearnDash. I've got this course here, test course, one course. I have basically no plugins running except LearnDash stuff and the cache plugin. Okay, we'll deactivate that for the fun of it. So only LearnDash stuff. Got this course, test course, really simple thing. Edit, settings, it's closed. It's got a link to the test product in ThriveCart, and it's got no users in it. Okay, it's got no groups in it, but I could put the test group in it. Doesn't really change much. Update. That's all I've got in LearnDash. Then I've got this ThriveCart plugin. I've got the settings done. Well, settings, refund behavior doesn't really matter. The webhook URL I've taken, the secret word, and that I've set up in ThriveCart. Then here I've got my course added here with the ThriveCart product ID 11 and courses and group selected and update. So these are now selected. Okay. Then I go to ThriveCart where I've got this product, which was, well, let's go back and see. It is edit product settings. We see it's the ID 11 up here. We've got in the settings, we've got this set up with the API keys, a LearnDash one, and webhooks, the LearnDash integration added, exactly as mentioned. So here we've got the product set to live, and I edit my stuff. I pick the pay my own price 0 because I don't want to pay myself. Jetzt kaufen, pay this thing. So now a real order is being done. It's not in test mode. Real order. I bought this product. So now I would want to go to LearnDash in the test course, edit, let's see, settings. It would have to put the person into the group. There's nothing there, no users, hasn't created a user, hasn't done anything. Plugin doesn't do anything. And it's been a problem. I tried it out 1.5 years ago on a different website. Didn't work. It still doesn't work, and I still have it on their website. Doesn't even work in a freshly installed WordPress website with the newest PHP version. I don't know what to do. So if you have an idea, please write a comment. Thanks.